Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hard reset this phone and remove patterns. This is a TECNO. First of all, what you do, you're going to hold the power key and the volume down so that we can go to the recovery mode. Then you wait for it to turn on. Then you'll hear the vibration. Then after you release, when you see the TECNO logo, wait for it for some seconds. Then it will go to factory mode. So when you reach here, you can click the volume down to go to factory reset. Then click power button. Then after, the phone is good to go. It's going to hard reset, and the process will finish within 1 to 5 minutes. So let's sleep. Reach here is connect to a Wi-Fi network. And this is a fresh installation. They're saying it's going to take 2 minutes. And what happens here mostly, it might ask for the previous email, or it may check for new updates so that your phone can start working with the latest software on it. So this is a TECNO K7. Okay, when you reach here, they're asking for a email address. So this is where we stop from. So it wants the previous email which was logged in. So there's nothing can continue doing here apart from them entering the email here, or we can do bypassing the Google verification on this phone. So thanks for watching. You're going to enter the previous email of the owner so that we can fully hard reset our phone. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.